Hey all, a very good morning everyone. I hope you all are doing great. Today in this vlog, I will be sharing some of my daily habits that I follow almost every day for a stress-free homemaking. The first and foremost habit for a stress-free homemaking is to wake up early. I feel mornings are filled with abundance of peace and your mind is free of all negative thoughts. So what I do is on some days I just take warm glass of water, or the days like today I have made myself a detoxifying drink with carom seeds. I like to sit here for 15 to 20 minutes without any distractions, sipping my hot glass of water, and I also usually plan my day accordingly. For me, the first task of the day would be making lunch for my kids. So today I'm preparing chicken sandwiches for them. For this, I have already prepared the chicken filling and kept it in the freezer. I usually plan the menu for the next day a day before and do preparations accordingly. Now, when you don't have in your mind on what to prepare for lunch for your kids, then your mind automatically starts taking stress and it would be the bad start for the day. Now coming to chicken sandwiches, in a bowl I have added the shredded chicken along with some veggies, and also I have added salt, black pepper and some mayonnaise into it. I then toasted the bread and made a nice chicken sandwiches out of them. Planning your menu a day before not only saves your time and efforts in the kitchen but also helps you in staying stress free. Soon after kids leave to school, I make it a point to clear and clean my kitchen countertop as soon as possible, because I feel the remains of the food might attract any flies. One thing I do every day without fail is to make my bed soon after I finish my kitchen work. Now, if you don't make your bed and whenever you enter your messy room, your mood gets affected. So, the next thing that I do is to get done with the laundry. I feel laundry is also an important task for the homemakers, because when you don't wash your clothes, it always runs back in your mind that you have to wash your clothes, and that might lead to increase in your stress levels. So what I do is I prefer to get done with my laundry in the morning hours itself. I then take out time for cleaning and organizing at least two areas of my home every day. Now, when you divide your task of cleaning and organizing on daily basis, it not only saves your time but also saves your efforts of deep cleaning. Now, when you follow this method, your home not only stays clean and organized all the time, but also whenever the unexpected guests arrive, you don't have to suddenly take care of cleaning of your home. Today, I also plan to clean these frames that we hanged in our bedroom. Now, when you have your own home, you do have to take care of even the smallest things in your house. Now, cleaning these frames might appear to be a smaller task, but not doing it might have its impact in the longer run. It took me not more than 30 minutes to clean all these areas, but I feel these 30 minutes were worth spending. So here I am preparing for breakfast. For breakfast today I am making an easy egg dish, that is shakshuka. Now knives are something that are used regularly in the kitchen. So what I do is I try to sharpen my knife once in every 3 to 4 days because it saves my time and efforts in the kitchen. Now coming to shakshuka, for this I have chopped all the veggies such as onions, tomatoes, capsicum and 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Breakfast is the first meal of the day and I always try to prepare a good, hearty and healthy breakfast for myself. When you don't have your breakfast on time, it might directly or indirectly affect your mood. In a pan, I have added 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil and I then added the chopped onions. While the onions are cooking, I will also make a paste of 4 to 5 tomatoes too. I then added the remaining veggies into the onions and I will cook it on low to medium flame until the vegetables are cooked properly. While the veggies are cooking, I oiled my wooden chopping board nicely. I like to do this task as soon as I finish its use rather than postponing it for the next time. When the veggies are cooked properly, I then added the tomato paste along with the spices like red chili powder, black pepper powder, roasted cumin seed powder and salt. I will mix everything properly and cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes. Now when the water in the tomato paste started getting dry, I made a place with a wooden ladle in the pan to break the eggs. I also sprinkled some oregano and closed the lid and cooked until the eggs are cooked completely. Now at this stage I added 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. You can add any cheese of your choice. At last added freshly chopped coriander leaves and that's it, it's ready to be served. My husband was already out for work, so today I'm alone for my breakfast. Now we homemakers spend a lot of time in kitchen and a neat and organized kitchen is also an important part for the stress-free homemaking. Now this magic corner is mostly used in my kitchen because I keep most of my steel utensils in it. So thought to clean it today. I spread the solution everywhere and then clean with a microfiber cloth. Now I haven't cleaned this cabinet since I organized it, so thought to clean it today as well. Now placing these drawer mats was very helpful because as you can see the cabinet is neat and clean. I just sprayed the solution onto the mat and cleaned with a damp cloth. Now this spoon organizer got a bit messier, so I washed it. Along with cleaning and organizing your home and kitchen, spending time with ourselves is also an important thing for a stress-free homemaking. Because when your mind is at peace, you can concentrate on the other chores of the home. Here I made a hot cup of tea for me and my husband. I usually like to spend my leisure time in learning new things. You can either use this time in praying or getting connected to your God or just sitting and sipping your hot cup of tea. Now, having an effective nighttime routine is also an important part of stress-free homemaking. I usually don't include any major task during the night, but one thing I do without fail is to clean the kitchen before going to bed. A neat and clean kitchen is not only the sight worth watching, but also the next morning when you come into your kitchen and you don't have to worry about cleaning the kitchen before you start your cooking. I'm planning to make upma the next day, so here I'm taking out all the items that I will be using for tempering so that it becomes easy for me the next day. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all had liked my video. If so, please do let me know in the comment section, and I will meet you all in the next vlog. Until then, stay safe.